Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm an alumni of the VA The Elite Way program. I started off in the financial industry for about 5 years before transitioning over into VA services. Something unique about the program is really the coaching. For me personally, as someone who already had somewhat of a functioning business and already had some experience in the industry, one of the reasons why I decided to enroll in the program was because I knew that there were probably a lot of things that had fallen through the cracks as I was transitioning industries and I went through a revamp of my business. I was really looking for that accountability piece and the foundational piece that I know I had skipped steps to. Elena is amazing at what she does and she has so much valuable experience. I felt like within our coaching sessions, we really had the opportunity to kind of brainstorm together, and I was really able to advance so many things within my business, and I know I couldn't have done it without her support, her feedback, her brainstorming, and of course her expertise and her care. If you're new to being a freelancer or a small business owner, there are so many things that you're going to take away from this program and feel so much more prepared than if you went about it on your own. So it is my honor to invite you to explore VA The Elite Way and become part of the community. Thanks, Elena.